Hi, this is Dr. Mercola, and you probably enjoy the popular and delicious pomegranate. It is widely touted as being especially healthy because it has 153 different phytochemicals that are primarily polyphenols, which are believed to be responsible for most of its health benefits. However, if you've been drinking pomegranate juice, you might be surprised to learn that most top brands are loaded with sugar that can contribute to insulin resistance. Now, fortunately, there's a way to get all the health benefits of pomegranates without the extra sugar. And it turns out, something you probably didn't know, that the pomegranate peels have the highest concentration of these beneficial polyphenols. And one of the most potent of these pomegranate polyphenols is called elagitannins, which have about 90% of the antioxidant activity of the fruit. And one of the best benefits of elagitannins is that they support an important process of your body called autophagy. Autophagy is your body's way of eliminating these damaged cells. It's a cleansing process that also activates the replacement of these cells with new healthy cells. It's an absolutely essential process that is required if you ever hope to remain healthy long term. Now, because autophagy occurs best when you're fasting, ideally, you should take these pomegranate polyphenols before bed so you can get the most benefit from them. Now, the other benefit of elagitannins is that they are converted by the bacteria in your gut to a chemical called urolithin A. Now, this urolithin A improves mitochondrial function through a process called mitophagy. Now, unfortunately, pomegranate peel is very bitter and will absolutely destroy the taste of any food you add it to, especially a smoothie. Don't do it. However, because of its potent benefits, I had my team create our own peel powder supplement. It didn't exist anywhere. I couldn't buy it, so we had our team make it. This was so I didn't have to continue to make my own capsules by manually putting the powder into a capsule. You will be delighted to know that our biodynamic organic pomegranate peel formula is the very first pomegranate supplement tablet ever to bear the Demeter Certified Biodynamic distinctive symbol on its label. So with our biodynamic organic pomegranate peel tablet, you get the highest polyphenol potency to support autophagy and mitophagy while also avoiding all the excess sugars found in pomegranate juices to help you take control of your health.